I promise y'all, this is the last time I'm finna come up on camera looking and feeling a hot mess.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Anyway, hey, what is up, everybody? Excuse my voice. I honestly, I don't know if it sounds weird to y'all, but it sounds and feels weird to me. So, I'm coming to you today with a nice little first impressions / review on this baby here. I know I'm late, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm going to be doing the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover full coverage protective makeup with sunscreen. So as always stated, I get all of my information directly from the brand's websites, not anything else like Walmart or Target, especially since this is a drugstore brand. I get it straight from Maybelline. So this is the Dream Urban Cover Flawless Coverage Foundation Makeup with SPF 50, and it has 16 shades, which is disappointing. And I have the darkest shade, which is 375 Java. I don't know why this just has 16 shades, especially when like Fit Me has so many nice in between shades, because I know in like Fit Me and also in the oh gosh, what is that other foundation? Oh, it's the Super Stay. In the Super Stay foundation, they also have nicer like in between shades, and like I'm pretty sure in the Super Stay foundation, Java is too dark for me, and the shade before this, Truffle, is definitely too light for me. So I don't know about this one, but it has 16 shades and I have the darkest shade. It retails for $12.99, and here are some specs and facts about it. So what it is a flawless coverage protective makeup that is lightweight foundation that has a broad spectrum of SPF of 50 and is enriched with antioxidants to protect against pollution. This is Maybelline's first protective foundation makeup, especially formulated to shield skin from harmful environmental aggressors. This lightweight foundation has basically has SPF and is enriched with antioxidants to protect against pollution. It not only leaves a natural looking finish, but protects skin day after day. And it does say it is dermatologist tested. As always, I'm going to go ahead and just do my regular schmegular primer routine. Okay, so now that my face is all primed and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead, open the foundation. It's a squeezy tube, and it is a very liquidy foundation, as you can see. And looking at the color, it doesn't look bad. So I guess in the Fit Me and in the Super Stay, Java isn't compatible, but I don't know. I won't know until I actually put it on my face. But it is a super liquidy, runny foundation. Gonna go ahead and dot that all over my face. So I'm gonna blend this side out with the sponge and then this side out with a brush. So, okay, I'm already gonna say I don't like using a brush. This foundation is very, 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 very liquidy. So I just feel that it's not, yeah, it's not covering as much, because I don't know, there's a spot at the brush area missed underneath my mouth, so I'm gonna just squeeze out a little bit more. And I do feel this foundation is a bit warm, dark, is a bit dark. I'm going to just do a little bit more and fix the areas that I just feel the brush didn't spread out the product enough. It just kind of soaked it up into the bristles. Okay, so this is the first time where it's like, to me, there's like a clear, sort of obvious difference on whether you should use a beauty blender or a foundation brush. And I definitely think stick to the sponge, just because I feel this product is so liquidy that it almost kind of sinks into the bristles. If you want to focus, that it almost kind of sinks into the bristles and doesn't allow the product to spread as well as a sponge would allow it. So I'm gonna stick with the sponge to apply this foundation, if I even like it at the end. But so far, this is what the base is looking like. It doesn't have an annoying smell. It definitely does feel lightweight. I don't feel cakiness on my face. I don't feel heaviness on my skin. It feels very lightweight, so it is right about that lightweightness. I'm not gonna lie, my skin kind of looks like flawless. Like, excuse me, a pore wear. Like, my skin just looks very smooth. Okay, Maybelline, might have done did something, but just not with those shades. Those are my first initial thoughts and impressions on the foundation, just putting it on my face. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel cakey, it is very lightweight. It really feels like there's nothing on your skin. Yeah, my only qualm is just I am not a fan of this shade. I'm gonna go ahead, do the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back on camera, and then we can get this first impressions rolling. Get the ball rolling. Okay, so I'm back, headscarf and all. So basically, I have finished the rest of my makeup. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I think I look pretty. I really do think that, like, I look pretty. Bald-headedness and all. Like, this foundation, like, products went on top of it so nice, and it is full coverage. Like, it covered the things that I needed it to cover. There was never a moment where I thought, oh, this isn't covered enough for me. I definitely feel like it is full coverage, but my face looks very nice right now. It looks very smooth, very nice, very flawless. Like, I'm high-key living for this moment, for this fantasy, for this decade. Again, my only thing is I feel like this foundation is too dark, because when I walked into my bathroom mirror and just to, like, change my clothes, like, I could tell the clear difference between my face and my body. So far, I do actually like this foundation, but I'm not a fan of this shade. So it is, and as I said before, I use my phone to record. It is 10:41. I'm basically gonna go throughout the rest of my day. We're gonna see how this foundation holds up, and I will see you probably really, really late later on tonight. So we gonna see you later. Okay, don't focus on my hands, focus on the time. Thank you. 11:05. So it is a 11:05. I have had this foundation on for, I think, pretty much a total of 12 hours. I've had it on for 12 hours. So as you can see, because I just saw myself in my bathroom mirror, I still think that the foundation is still too dark. It just, like, around my mouth and chin area, this area, just, it looks extra dark and mustachy to me, which I don't like. So, I mean, it's great for people who are darker than me, you know, can use this. So those who are a little bit darker than me can wear this, but, like, me, And then I was just in Walmart 2 seconds ago, and I looked at the truffle shade, and yeah, truffle is too light for me. So, like, I'm right in between those two shades. I don't know, they need to add more shades, because I just don't like that, because it's like they've done it before, so like why not now, you know? It does feel lightweight. This foundation is completely lightweight. I was scratching my face and was like, oh, I have makeup on. So yeah, super lightweight, super lightweight. It reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked Weightless foundation, because that is a super lightweight foundation, except this one definitely has more coverage. I do think the foundation held up pretty well. My forehead area though, like the rest of my face, it looks pretty decent to me, but my forehead area is looking cray, like right here. That's just oil city central. But the rest of the makeup and foundation does seem to have held up. My highlighter did go away, but I can still see my blush. I think it worked well with the primer routine. And I don't know, I like this foundation. I like it. It held up. It's been a literal 12-hour day for me. It held up, but yet, like, you know, it's just, I don't have a shade. I'm very conflicted with how I feel about on whether or not I should recommend this to anybody, because it's just like, part of me wants to recommend it because it does feel lightweight. It does have nice coverage. It does hold up throughout a day, especially me and my oily skin. It held up through a 12-hour day. But also, if you're my shade and my skin tone, you don't have a shade really in this line. You don't, because this one's too dark and the second to darkest one is too light. So it's just, I don't know. I'm gonna just say, do with that information what you will, because I honestly do like the foundation, but I can't recommend something knowing that people who are my skin color won't have a shade for them. You get what I'm saying? I feel like you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. So yeah, just do what you will with that information and make your decisions on your own accords. Alright guys, so thank you again for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and especially hit that subscribe button, and remember to click the bell button to be notified whenever I upload, so that way you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video. And remember, when we comment, we want to bring people up and not bring people down. Bye guys.